to show you how to do these 3 problems from your Unit 5 study guide for your right triangles test. Number 15 says, draw and label. That should say label, but I guess we were trying to be fancy with this one. But we're going to draw and label the sides and angles of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So kind of have a little sketch there. Need to make this one a little smaller. There we go. Okay. I'll start right here with the right angle. Here I'll make this guy 30. Oh, I made it really small, which means this guy down here is 60. All right, so we're going to actually label in terms of x. On the side opposite the 30 degrees, that's our smallest side, so I'm going to call that x. The hypotenuse is always double the smallest side, so if the smallest side is x, we're going to label the height 2x. And the side opposite the 60, that's the weird one. That's always the smallest side times the square root of 3. So we're going to say the smallest side is x root 3. And that's it. All right, for number 16, we're going to draw and label the sides and angles of a 45, 45, 90. So there's that little baby. That's a cute one. All right, I'm going to go in with the right angle, bam, and I'll make this guy 45 degrees, which means this guy here is also 45 degrees. That's also an isosceles triangle. All right, so again, we're going to label in terms of x. So the smallest side is x, which makes this x also. And the hypotenuse is always that side times the square root of 2. So we're going to write x root 2. And we're done with that one. Last but not least, if the hypotenuse of a 30, 60, 90 triangle is 20, what are the lengths of the other 2 sides of the triangle? So there's this guy. I'll make him just a little bit bigger. All right, we're going to go in right there. That baby is 90. I'll make this 30. Of course, this is 60. Oh, and it told us that the height was 20. So I'll go in right there. So what we're going to do here is we are actually going to label in terms of x. The side opposite the 30 is x. The hypotenuse is double that, so 2x. And the side opposite the 60 is x root 3. This is what we know right there. So we're actually going to divide by 2 so we can solve for x. That cancels, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So everywhere we see x, we are now going to put a 10. So this side here, opposite the 30, that's equal to 10. And the side opposite the 60 is equal to 10 root 3. And the hypotenuse is still equal to 20. Oh, that was a quick one. I liked it. All right, guys, happy studying.